Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Vadney's kitchen. Today she'll be cooking for you chicken liver with green banana and ripe plantain. You're going to enjoy this one. Welcome to the kitchen.
I am preparing chicken liver for a family of 2 for breakfast. Fresh chicken liver. Now you have to clean up the liver. Take off all the excess fat off of it. Yes, I already washed my liver. So now I'm going to put in my garlic. I'm going to grate the garlic. I'm putting in my garlic. I'm using 3 pegs of garlic. You can blend the garlic or you can grate it. Put in my Maggi seasoning. You know, with using the Maggi, you don't have to use any salt because the Maggi already having salt. So, putting in my Maggi, pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. That will give your liver a nice flavor. I'm going to leave it to soak for about 3 minutes.
How much liver is this?
1.5 of liver. My banana pot, and you know, as usual, you throw a little oil for the banana to have a pretty color. The pot is boiling up and I'm putting in my banana. Sometimes you want a little makeup touch up with the banana, so I cook up ripe plantain to serve along with the breakfast. I'm pouring in the oil for the liver. I'm not going to use plenty oil because I don't want a lot of grease. Yeah, so this is the liver. So, you need to catch some color. catching the color. Don't like the liver soft, I like it have a little crunchy. I'm going to put in my onion. Then my sweet pepper. My tomato. Leave it heat up 2 minutes. And then breakfast is ready. I like to throw in the onion. Sometimes seasoning is good for us. And the seasoning coming like a part of our vegetable. So we're not going to lot of people cook out them seasoning too much, so then cook out all the nutrients out of the seasoning. Seasoning must not cook out. The seasoning, it just give it 2 minutes and the seasoning is ready. Your liver now is ready. I'm going to turn off the fire now and then. You eat, finish, do the job. So that is it. So breakfast is ready. Sunday morning breakfast is ready. We're going to full our belly and after church. Banana, ripe plantain and liver with a cup of Caribbean Dreams coconut pineapple tea. So Jamaican breakfast, Jamaican style. belly going full this morning, so when me go church, Rev can gallant priest tell all at 5 o'clock. Me no business because my belly well full.